Hey everyone, I am Brianna, and here's a little bit of educational background about me. So, the first college that I did attend was Mount San Antonio College, which is located in Walnut, California, and is a community college. So, I did attend here for 2 years, and then I decided to transfer over to the University of Laverne, which I attended for another 2 years, and then graduated in May of 2017 with a bachelor's in educational studies and a minor in child development. After finishing my 2 years off there, I decided to move on over to Arizona, in which I decided that I wanted to start a master's degree in early childhood education, which I began in 2018. It's a little bit of my early literacy experience. So, as an educator, I've had the opportunity to work with young children as early as infants. So, I believe I worked with infants from 6 months all the way to 18 months. And through this experience, I was able to teach things like baby signs and just reading to them, which has been my favorite age group thus far. Um, After working with infants, I then got hired on over here in Arizona as a kindergarten teacher, in which I work deeply with literacy in an early literacy program called CKLE. As a teacher, I have used a student-centered approach to teaching. I have recognized the importance of teaching through a student-centered approach. My first 2 years of teaching, I learned that it is important to recognize a child's background knowledge and then use what they know to scaffold upon it. And then I integrated reading and writing whenever possible. So some of the things I have been able to incorporate into my very own classroom is KWL charts, reading and writing workshops, word sorts, and reading logs. So as a young child, I remember most using sensory bins as a young child, whether my teacher incorporated water or sand or just rocks or different things that were considered sensory areas or sensory bins. She incorporated, or she and he incorporated at that time, letters, different sizes, beads, whatever they were. Those were my earliest memories. I also remember um, our different reading centers. I remember always sitting at the couch and reading our books, and also using our magnetic letters on things like the whiteboard or just on cooking sheets. I also remember reading time as a young child, so that was one of my favorite memories. Um, as a reader and a writer as a young child, I was more so a reader than a writer, I think. Um, I always liked reading nonfiction books like Judy Bloom books, which were always my favorite. And the most writing I think I ever did when I was a young child was writing in like a diary like this sort with my little like 90s pen. So those were my favorite memories as a young child. As now, I think I'm more of a reader still than a writer, which is very interesting. Yeah, thank you for watching.